guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. So Valentine's Day is coming up soon, and so I have my little heart lights over there. So for this look, I did, of course, winged liner, but I did a rose gold halo smoky eye kind of look. I have like darker colors here and on the outer corners, and then the pop of glitter that's like rose gold toned, and a pink neutral lip. I want to show you guys how I created this look, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to use this Urban Decay Naked 3 palette because if we're going for like a rose gold eye look, this is the perfect palette for that. I'm gonna start by using the color Limit. Now I'm using the shade Lunar in my crease. Let's use the shade Factory and Dark Side and use that on the outer V of my eye. I'm actually gonna also like apply the darker color more here as well, just so that it's more of the glitter being on the center of my lids. I'm gonna use Factory and Dark Side again and do that. It's almost like the halo like eyeshadow effect. So now for glitter, this is the fun part. So I'm gonna use the MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime Spray. I'm gonna use this to apply a MAC pigment that's in the shade English Glit, and it's kind of rose goldy-ish, so it's actually, yeah, it's pretty rose gold. It's such a pretty color. And I'm going to apply that to my lids. So what I'm going to do is use a brush, a flat brush. I'm going to use the spray, and I'm going to just spray it onto the brush so that it's a little bit damp to pick up the pigment better. And now I'm going to go back into using my Naked palette, and I'm going to make these brown colors look a little bit more black and smoky. I'm using a blending brush and using the shade Dark Side and Black Heart, and I'm mixing the two. And if some of your pigment and glitter is getting covered up, it's all good. We're gonna touch it up. So now it looks like this so far. And we're gonna use the same brush again for our pigment, and we're gonna touch it up. So re-wet the brush and apply some pigment. I'm using the NYX Roll-On Shimmer in the shade Salmon, and I'm going to apply that over the pigment because this has a little bit more of a rosy tone than the pigment does. So to blend this out, I'm going to use a small brush just to soften it up. The worst part about glitter is the amount of fallout. Oh my god. And then I'm going in again and deepening up around my glitter. And now I'm using this smaller brush, and I'm going into the shade Factory and Dark Side and applying that to my lower lash line. I don't know how pink it looks on camera, but it's very pink in person, like rose gold. So I'm going into the shade Dust, which is this super pretty pink shimmery color, and applying that inner corners and brow bone. I'm going to use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner and do some wings. Okay, and then I just also lined my waterline with some Tarte Maneater eyeliner, as always. So I'm using the Tarte Park Avenue Princess contouring palette, and I'm going to use the shade Angle and contour. And now I'm using the NYX Born to Glow highlighting palette And I'm actually going to use some of the blush colors in here too. This color and this color as a blush. For highlight, I'm using this one from Becca Cosmetics. That is the rose one. Now for lips, you can do a gloss because the eyes are a little darker, or you can go all out and use a liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick. Doing a gloss would make the look a little bit less intense, so it's up to you. But I'm gonna use this Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Bear With Me. The last thing I'm gonna do is use some MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime Spray to set all of my makeup. So this is the finished look, you guys. I really like it. It's much more rose gold in person, like the eyes. It's like, I don't know why it's not on camera, but it's not. So, I don't know. In person, it's definitely rose gold. I mean, this NYX roll-on is for sure rose gold. So, yeah. Just take my word for it. But yeah, so this is it for this pinky, I don't know, like halo eye, smoky eye kind of look. I like the combination of like the really dark eyeshadow with the shimmer and like the rose gold. I think it looks nice together. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be sure to click the bell as well so that you guys can get notifications of when I upload every single new video. And as always, I'll have all the products I use linked down in the description below, along with my Instagram and Twitter, and I also made a Facebook, so you can go check that out. I just post and let you guys know when I upload a new video, and I put like quick videos now up so that you guys can watch like the whole tutorial in a minute. So stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!